I will show you how to load the ink cartridges in your HP DeskJet 2855E printer. Step number 1 is to actually turn on your printer by pressing the power button and wait around 30 seconds just so that the printer boots up. Then you're going to stick your fingers over here to lower this panel, and right over here there is another panel, so lower this one as well. Wait a few seconds until the cartridge carriage is presented to you. Now let me remove them from the package. We have one color ink cartridge. This printer takes the HP 67 or 67XL cartridge, and one black ink cartridge. This HP printer also takes the HP 67, 67XL, and also 67XXL black ink cartridge. It's very important to always install the color ink cartridge on the left side and the black one on the right side. Let's start with the color one. Step number 1 is to remove this protector. It's simply a tape that you need to peel. Bring your cartridge this way with the contacts facing the printer in the left side. Bring it in this position, and then with your thumb push until it clicks in place. Same thing with the black ink cartridge. Peel the sticker, bring the cartridge. Let me give you another angle here. All right, glide it and then push with your thumb. If you want to remove one of these ink cartridges, you'll have to put your finger on top of the cartridge you want to remove and press down. Then you'll be able to glide it out. It's a very easy process. Same thing over here. Put your finger on the top, push down, and this way you can simply glide it out and replace it with a new cartridge. By the way, I'll put links in the description towards Amazon if you want to get replacement ink cartridges. Most of the time is the cheapest to get from there. So check my links down below. You also support my channel at the same time. At the end, don't forget to close this lid and wait around 30 seconds. You're going to see some light over here flashing. That's pretty normal. In 30 seconds, everything will be ready for you to print. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.